Welcome to another In.It Apparel video. So we've got a nice quick video for you today, and it's all about how to remove the background from your artwork. Step 1 will be to load your artwork into your graphic design software. It doesn't matter which software you use, these principles should apply across all of them. Now we'll be going over a couple of different ways how to do this, but we'll start off with what is by far the easiest one. So if you're using Photoshop, there's an incredibly easy way to do this, which is your magic wand tool. So all you want to do is have your artwork loaded in, unlock the background layer, have your magic wand tool selected, and then click on the area you want to remove and simply hit backspace. It really is as easy as that. Now let's say with this particular design, you want this sky bit to be the same color as the t-shirt. In other words, you don't want that bit printed either. The magic wand tool makes this super easy because it will only select the color you're clicking on and only within the line. So you can literally just go through and select and delete all of the ones you do not want to be printed. Like so. And then only this bit will be printed. Now for some added benefit, you can also go ahead and crop this image. And there you go. Now you can simply export this as a transparent PNG and it is absolutely ready to go. Right, so another way of doing this, which is also easy but it's a little bit more time consuming, but it also gives you more accuracy, would be to create a layer mask. So we go down here, we create a new layer mask, have your brush tool selected and make sure the color is black. And then wherever you paint with this brush, it will simply make a mask and delete, essentially delete whatever's behind it. So you can go through and then brush out everything you don't want printed. So a good way to go about this to save yourself some time is to take a very large brush size and get the majority of it gone. And then you go with a smaller brush, you zoom in, and then you can get your edges nice and perfect as you want them. Look, clearly this is not exactly perfect, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So for the more complicated ones, you can use this tool. If it's just removing a plain color background, I would highly recommend using the magic wand tool, but that's essentially everything you need to know. And then just remember that when you export your file from here, you go File, Export, Export As, and then it's very important that your format is a PNG with transparency selected on. And then you can export it, and your file is ready to be printed. I really hope you found that helpful. Please leave us a like if you did, and subscribe if you want more helpful tips like this in future.